Welcome back to Whelen Software Walkthroughs and How-Tos. Today we are going to talk about CenCom Carbide and the front inner edge. The front inner edge counts as one of the two accessories that you can have with Carbide. The light bar and the weekend external siren amplifier do not count towards these accessories. I've already selected Create a New Configuration and will now select the front inner edge from the Accessories drop-down list, and I'll click Continue. In the Accessories page is where we will make all our changes to our front inner edge. We can see by default the front inner edge is red and blue, with white as the secondary color, normally used for takedowns or scene lighting. When selecting the white modules, you will notice they are selected in sets of 3. This is because they share the same output. Programming a flash pattern on the front inner edge is identical to programming a flash pattern on the light bar. We first want to select the button or input that we are programming, so I will select slide switch 1. And we then want to select the modules we wish to program. So I will select all the red and blue modules in the inner edge. And then in the flash pattern list, I will click Action Flash. We can simulate the flash pattern by clicking on the Simulate button. The modules will flash simultaneous. If we want the modules to alternate, we can set the driver's side of the inner edge into phase 1, and we can set the passenger side of the inner edge to phase 2 by clicking on the Alternate button. We can now see that the inner edge alternates phase 1 and phase 2. For a more unique flash pattern, we can click on the Unsync button. This will set a delay starting with the end module at 0 milliseconds and working towards the center module up to 50 milliseconds. This will give us our unique flash pattern. We can also set the custom phase and the custom delay of each module. If we wanted our flash pattern to be a pattern override flash pattern, we would check the Apply as Pattern Override checkbox. This would require our modules to be activated by another button or input for our selected pattern to override the active modules. On the Cruise View tab, if we were setting up Auxiliary 2 as our cruise light button, we'd want to select Aux 2 and then select the modules we want to cruise and click Cruise On. We can see the cruise symbol has been applied to the selected modules. Now whenever Aux 2 is activated, the selected modules will turn on, displaying a cruise light intensity. On the Power View tab, if we were setting up a low power button, we would select our low power button. We would then select the modules we want to put into low power and click on low power. We can see the low power symbol has been applied to the selected modules. Now whenever we turn on the low power button, if the modules are flashing, they will flash at a reduced intensity. Please stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for watching.